Good day everyone, I am Judel Lola. I'm here for today for the GE4 Activity 1. What is mathematics in your point of view? In my perspective, mathematics is an excellent language for modeling the world. It's a language that's spoken all across the planet, all across the universe. Learning mathematics is like trying to climb a wall while staring at it. You haven't been the point in mastering mathematical ideas for a long time. But there comes a time when you can see over the wall and realize how everything you've been learning fits longer and together. The first barrier we overcome are arithmetic, which comes in when we start buying goods, cooking, or doing everyday tasks. Algebra, geometry, calculus, and a few other subjects are the next hurdles to overcome. They appear to be useless until they begin to feel things, particularly extremely huge things, and when you enter the sciences and engineering, the majority of individuals do not attempt to scale this wall. I passed through one barrier and now I am confronted with other barriers, such as higher mathematics like calculus and other subjects, number theory, pure mathematics, and so on and so forth. The difference is that I don't consider the knowledge required to scale them to the pointless. But unlike with the other walls, I know exactly what see on the other side. Problem number 2 is, can you see mathematics in this picture? If yes, explain. Yes, mathematics is all around of us. It can be found in the things we make and works of art we adore, like on this picture, like the picture you shown, man. Even if we don't realize it, mathematics may be found in the natural world around us, like to the picture shown. That's how a beautiful picture it is. In the landscape, in a species of plants, and in animals, including humans. It is necessary for our attraction to other people, as well as our mobility. Mathematics is like the picture we can be found in nature, even in places where we wouldn't anticipate it. It can explain how galaxies spiral, how a seashell curves, how waves curves, how patterns repeats, and how rivers bend as long as the sea. Look at this picture, even subjective feelings, such as what we deem lovely, may be explained mathematically. Question number 3 is, relate it in your real life situation by giving five at least examples. Like I said, mathematics is around us and we can find it everywhere. Like managing money. In algebra class, we will learn skills that will assist us with money. We learn how to compute interest and also the compound interest, which is an important skill. This is a skill that we may use now and also in the future to handle our own money and to save our money. This ability will also assist us in selecting the ideal bank account. It will also assist us in determining which credit card is suitable to use. People who take out loans should be aware of the concept of interest. It also assists to all of us in determining the most effective strategies to save and invest money to the bank or to the business. Example number 2 is in recreational sports. Geometry and trigonometry might assist us as teenagers in improving our athletic abilities. It can assist athletes and also to the coach in determining the most effective technique to strike a ball, make a basket, or run around the track. Having a basic understanding of math also aids in keeping track of sports scores. Sample number three is home decorating and remodeling. Area measurement is an important ability, especially in building a house. It will come in handy for us teen when we decide to rebuild our own home or apartment in the future. It will assist us in determining how much paint we will require when repainting a room. Anyone who wishes to replace tiles in a bathroom or kitchen or even in the living room should know how to do this. When selecting how much lumber to buy for floor or ceiling trim, knowing how to calculate parameters can aid as young adult. Example number 4 is in cooking. When it comes to cooking, people apply their math skills. It is fairly typical to use half of or double of a recipe. For example, people in this situation use proportions and ratios to calculate the amounts of each element. If a recipe calls for 2/3 of cup flour, the cook must figure out how much is half or twice that amount. The cook must then indicate the amount with typical baking measurements, such as 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 12 cup, or 1 cup. And lastly, when we go to shopping, we use math. When we teen goes shopping or other people, we will apply math. We will always need to figure out which retailer offers the best pricing or financing when purchasing a new computer or even a clothes. When it comes to obtaining the best value in food, math comes in handy when given the option of purchasing a 12 ounce of soft drinks or 2 liters of water or 12 pack of Yakult or even 24 pack of soda. For example, we teen will need to make a decision. Stores frequently hold sales where customers can save a percentage off the original price. It is beneficial for people to understand how to calculate savings. This math ability is extremely beneficial since it allows us to calculate discounts so that we can purchase an item at the greatest possible price. That's all for today. Thank you.